All right, hello, Miss McGuinn's class. I want to give you a tutorial on how to use a couple of the strategies that we have been using so far. The first one is going to be standard algorithm. Standard algorithm. Let's try 347 times 6. All right, so when I use the standard algorithm, my larger number is going to go on top. My smaller number is going to go on bottom. So my problem should look like this, 347 on top times 6 on the bottom. I'm going to start right here in the ones place. 7 times 6. If I didn't know what 7 times 6 was, I would go ahead and skip count by 6 7 times because my whole equation is being multiplied by 6. So I'm going to go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw my line. Now draw my line so I can skip count. All right, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I need to make sure that I do this 7 times. 24, 30, 36, 42. So I have skip counted 7 times. Now, 7 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 42. I put my 2 here. And I regroup my 4. Now I have 4 times 6. Well, I already have my work done here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 24 plus the 4 I had to regroup gives me 28. So I put my 8 here. Regroup my 2. Now 3 times 6. 1, 2, 3. Is 18 plus the 2 that I had to regroup gives me 20. So now, here I have 2,082. Let's try another one. We'll try a 4-digit number. Still doing the same thing, 4,723 times 5. All right, so I want to go ahead and again make sure that I have my larger number on top and I am multiplying everything by 5. All right, so now I'm going to skip count by my 5. What's the largest number up here I have to do is 7. So I'm going to skip count by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember that when we skip count by 5, you can also do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You can use your hands as well. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I skip counted 7 times. I skip counted 7 times. Let me get so you can see it a little bit better. All right. Here we go. I start in the ones place. 3 times 5. Well, 1, 2, 3 gives me 15. I put my 5 down. Regroup my 1. 2 times 5. Well, 1, 2, plus the 1 I regrouped gives me 11. 7 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gives me 35. Plus the 1 I regrouped makes that 36. I put my 6. I can't forget to put the number that I regrouped. And then 4 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus the 3 I regrouped is 23. This is using the standard algorithm for a 3 or 4 digit number times a 1-digit number.